Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on binomial products. A binomial is an algebraic expression which contains two terms. The following are examples of binomials: m plus 7, w minus 6, 3y plus 9, and k squared minus 5. And they are called binomials because there are two terms in each expression. We can take two separate binomials and multiply them together. We then have a binomial product. And product means multiplication. Let's look at some examples. Expand each of the following binomial products and simplify where possible. So in example 1 we have m plus 5 multiplied by m plus 3. That's a binomial. That's a binomial. They're multiplied together, and that's why they're called binomial products. So the first m here, we put it there, and we multiply it by m plus 3. So we multiply it by the second binomial. The next term here, which is the 5, we put it here, and we multiply it by the second binomial once again. So inside the brackets we have the second binomial, and the m and the 5, they are each of the terms from the first binomial. So now we just remove the grouping symbols. M times m is m squared, m times 3 is 3m, 5 times m is 5m, and 5 3s are 15. It says simplify where possible, so we can collect those like terms. So the final answer is m squared plus 8m plus 15. For the second example, we multiply this binomial by that one. So the 2y is multiplied by the second binomial, and the 4 is also multiplied by the second binomial, and that's what we have here. When we do the expansion, we get to that expression. When we add the like terms, that is our final answer. For the third example, it's exactly the same. The 3m is placed in front of the second binomial, and this is minus 2 here, so we just put the minus 2 there, and we place it in front of the second binomial. We do the multiplication, paying special attention to the signs. We collect the like terms. 15m take away 14m is 1m, and that's the final answer. Over here it's exactly the same. The 7k goes in front of the second binomial, and the minus 5y is in front of the second binomial. When we multiply through, we get that expression there, and then we have the like terms here. So minus 14ky and minus 15ky is minus 29ky. So that's the final answer. Here we have h plus 6 all squared. Now when we square something, we know that we multiply it by itself. Then we just go through the normal procedure, step by step. We collect the like terms, and that's our final answer. And finally, again, here's a binomial product. This binomial is squared, which means we multiply it by itself. Here's our normal procedure. When we do the expansion, we end up with that algebraic expression, and when we collect the like terms, we end up with that answer. So this video has introduced us to binomial products, and we've had 6 examples to demonstrate how we go through the process. And don't forget at the end, if you can simplify by collecting like terms, that's exactly what we do.